Okay, so painting time for one of the models. So we're working on my 7 of 9. Faces always take the longest. So hope I can do Miss Ryan here some justice. Anyway, it's, trying to get the right shade for the hair is bad enough. But we'll see how it works out. A little more paint. It's getting there. Now the eyes. So I've been working on my 7 and 9 model. So body's just about done. Got the base there. I've got to do some work on the rifle. It's going to be in her hand. I'll paint that up with the phaser, and I also realized I'd missed printing one piece. This little phaser will go onto the belt there, but if you remember, 7 and 9 was very keen on handling it, having her tricorder with her, which was supposed to clip onto this hole here, and I didn't print it, so I'll need to run that one off when I get a spare couple of minutes. Shouldn't take long. Right, so I thought I'd printed the last piece for 7 of 9, but the scaling is way off. So I printed everything at 100%, but this was yeah, a mess. So I'm gonna go into here and quickly take a look at what I can do. Yeah. Yeah, so 7 and 9 was at least 200%. I need to double it up. So I'm going to go in, reslice it, and try it at 200% and see if that comes out good. 7 of 9's tricorder going around on the turntable. I've got a minute left on that. I'll give it a quick spray with paint. Add some details, just some Sharpie markers, glue it to her belt, and she should be done. Alright, one more model completed. So there we go, Jerry Ryan, 7 of 9. I think it came out pretty good. Probably could have done with some more filler around the waist. There was a second version of the model that didn't have the belt, but I wouldn't have been able to print that so tall because it was one piece, which is why I went for the 2-section version. But yeah, all in all, very nice on the Saturn 4.